Welcome to this lesson. Nunation is the addition of N sound of letter N at the end of nouns, to indicate that they are indefinite. It functions like the indefinite article, on, in English language. Instead of writing letter N at the end of indefinite nouns, double identical short vowel marks are used as a symbol for that N sound. Thus, there are three types of it, based on the three short vowels, marks, as shown in the following table. The word
كتاب
which means book is used as an example.
بن كتاب كتاب بن كتابا بن كتاب كتاب.
Notes. This nunation is always followed by an additional silent letter, except for nouns that end with one of the following letters. You will learn more about these letters in the following lessons. Examples.
مقهى
A cafe.
عصا
A stick.
وردة
A rose.
مبدأ
A principle.
سماء.
A sky. This symbol is more commonly used instead of this one. Each indefinite noun in a sentence may have one of the three N sounds based on its grammatical function, that is, whether it is a subject, object, adverb, etc., as mentioned in the grammar book. As a beginner, you will not be able to determine which one to use, but you have to be able to recognize the sound and shape of each one of them so that you can read them correctly. The N sound is pronounced at the end of indefinite nouns within the sentence. However, at the end of the sentence speech, where you stop reading talking, it must be replaced by this symbol, except for this N sound. Examples.
هو درس سهل.
It is an easy lesson.
بحثت عن درس سهل.
I looked for an easy lesson.
كان درسا سهلا.
It was an easy lesson. These nunation are pronounced at the end of sentence speech in some examples for educational purposes. The double identical short vowel marks that represent the N sound are written with this symbol, when the indefinite noun ends with a double letter. Example.
رد ردا رد.
A reply. This nunation at the end of sentence speech can be pronounced as long vowel, except for some common words that always end with this symbol, such as the following words.
شكرا.
Thanks.
عفوا.
Sorry.
جدا.
Very.
أهلا وسهلا.
Welcome. The names of N sound symbols are as follows.
التنوين تنوين الضم تنوين الفتح تنوين الكسر.
This lesson comes from the Reading and Writing book, the first book in the Enjoy Arabic curriculum. You can get it on Amazon as an ebook. There's also an interactive version available as an app, allowing you to click on any Arabic word to hear its pronunciation clearly. You can purchase the app on Google Play and the App Store. Check the links in the description below.
Quiz time!
Now it's your turn. You can challenge yourself with the exercises in the workbook, available for free via the link in the description.